and welcome to Jamaican Sinting Investigate. We are a program dedicated to bringing you the meaning along with the nuances and subtleties of words used in the fabulously flamboyant Jamaican language. On today's episode, we will be discussing the reduplicated words Liki Liki and nyami nyami. Liki Liki is used to describe an individual that is highly covetous. They tend to be greedy as well. That person's appetite for whatever they see that they want can never be satisfied.
We had chew. You can't give me one of your bubble gum them too, so me can chew. My mouth feel boring.
So, whenever they see something that someone else has, they want it too.
Wow, what a way your lip them pretty. You can't give me one of your lipstick them like what you have.
The key distinguisher for a person who is Liki Liki is that they have longings for things that do not belong to them. Nyami nyami. Nyami nyami. This is used to describe an individual with an insatiable desire for food. In Jamaica, they would call that person a bellyas, which means they walk with their belly, which really means they have a weakness for food. In other words, they can easily be ensnared by food.
Then we catch you with food, innit?
The nyami nyami individual will eat indiscriminately, even from strangers.
Miss, excuse me. You don't have no more of that food sample there. It done already? Maybe some round the back. You know, can go check.
Nuances to note. The nyami nyami person is always Liki Liki, but the Liki Liki person may not always be nyami nyami. This is because the nyami nyami's realm is strictly relegated to the desire for food, whereas the Liki Liki, they are able to extend throughout wanting, desiring a wide array of things. Any and everything that others have. They just want to acquire more and more. And something to note, in both cases, the Liki Liki and the nyami nyami, they have no shame in their game.
Hey! Una have any more of them pen there? Una give it? Una give no more of them pen there over the bank?
They are unreserved, unashamed in their pursuit of their desire.
Yes, me I go dead. Because manish water, curry goat, white rum, I run.
Remember craving dogs that in losing bone. Tiger is a king where sit down on him throne. No more in a Babylon, tiger will roam. Come in on nyami 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 na Liki Liki. Me no wanna come set no poison say me up.